Now, Mr. Clerk. What is the full name of Mr. Clerk? Name was Mr. D. Clerk was first sworn in the second deputy president. After whom? After him, who came? The second person was Thabo Mbeki. You can remember the spelling, pronunciation keeps on changing from individual to individual. Doesn't matter, you can remember the spelling of it. Sworn in as the first deputy prime minister, president. Second deputy was Mr. Clerk. First deputy was Mr. Thabo Mbeki. And when it was my turn, he was the president. Two deputies. The first deputy was, who was the first deputy? Come on, recall it. Mr. Clerk. First deputy was Mr. Thabo Mbeki. These are catchies. Catch. Don't forget to cash crops. Always remember, ये हमारा एंड कैश करने के वर्ड्स है, उसको कभी छोड़ना नहीं है. बड़ा बड़ा तो आएगा, छोटा छोटा कभी नहीं छोड़ना है. राइट नाउ was sworn in as the first deputy president, and now who? The almighty Nelson Mandela's turn. Azimo Shan Shahinshah aa raha hai. Who was he? Mr. Nelson Mandela. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. He swore. India is my country and all Indians we pledge it, right? Yes, we swear. मम्मी की कसम है, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं करने का. मैं मेरी मम्मी की कसम, मैं तुम्हारी कसम खा के बोलता हूँ. वैसा वाला छोटा छोटा नहीं. He pledged, he sworn as a constitutions as the head, and he swore. What is he sworn? He said that I will never ever leave the well-being of my people. I will devote my whole life. I will be 100% devoted. As it is, he was devoted. Otherwise, he might have not been in the jail for 30 years. He was a devoted leader. Right? Nobody can doubt Nelson Mandela. Nobody can doubt. You see the picture of Nelson Mandela? He is Nelson Mandela. Try to Google and search about him a lot. Everybody is aware of Gandhiji because he was our Indian. He is not Indian, but he is a person who walked on this planet on which we are living. And he has done wonders. He is as equal as Gandhiji. He has done as much as what our Gandhiji has done. So you can do Google and do little bit research. A lot of time is there with you at this lockdown period. So you can do little bit of research on Nelson Mandela and connect your knowledge of this chapter along with the knowledge of Google, and then see. You can make a nice project of English in this way. And try to see. When I started for my first initiation of YouTube, I said, gather the knowledge for everywhere. Gather everywhere. सब जगह से ज्ञान बटोरने का, पर फोकस किस पे करने का? मार्क्स के लिए, टेक्स्ट बुक के लिए. राइट? सो नॉलेज सब जगह से गैदर करो. अपने ज्ञान की जितनी हो सके उतनी उसका ऑरा, उसका उतना व्यास, उसका सर्कमफरेंस बढ़ाते रहो. Instead of playing YouTube videos or instead of doing all DIYs and all those nonsense, simply wasting your time. It's okay to kill your time, you can do that also. But then you can also do somewhat research also. I feel personally that you should do it. And now you are not small kids, you are all in 10th class. So you are enough mature to understand this what I want to tell you. Right? So the first deputy was Mr. Clerk. Second deputy was Mr. Clerk. First was Mr. Thabo Mbeki, and now it was Nelson Mandela's turn. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the constitutions and to devote myself to the well-being of the constitution and its people. To the assembled guest, because 140 people representatives were there. At least if you forget that how many representatives were there from each country, at least 140 people. I know it was not that much, it was maybe thousands and thousands of people, right? Excuse me. Assembled guests and watching the world. I said, this is the direct words. These now, what words I am going to read just now for you. This was a direct address of Mr. Mandela to the world. Right? It is written in that format only. Today, all of us, by our presence, see, मेरे presence से नहीं, मैं जैसा कोई word है ही नहीं दुनिया में, हमारे presence से, our presence. So ये चीज़ भी आपको सीखनी है, मैं नहीं, our. Today, all of us, by our presence here. They were present in that place, Pretoria. Conferred glory and hope of the newborn liberty. That newborn liberty, na? That freedom from that सोच, भेदभाव से freedom, the newborn dignity. Because बेटा अपने में एक हमारा एक छोटी सी झोपड़ी भी होती है ना, उसमें भी जो इंसान रहता है ना, वो एकदम अपने घमंड से रहता है, मैं हूँ, वो जो होता है ना, वो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, वो सिर्फ फ्रीडम से आती है. स्लेवरी से कभी वो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, सेल्फ एस्टीम नहीं आ सकती. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. टुडे ऑल ऑफ अस do by our presence here confer glory and hope of the newborn liberty out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster. See, I will here try to explain you every word because I know everybody is understanding English. I can understand words, you can understand the meaning of the word I need to explain you. Everybody is able to understand this word to word. If I say, I will read it off and that's okay, but then what is the essence of it? What is the meaning of it? And then that I will try to bring that feelings also for you, that how Mr. Nelson Mandela might have felt at that time. Right? I'm just trying. It's a small trial. Please ignore if you feel it personally, but it's a small trial. Right? How he might have felt. He might have felt like he was a person. He was a person of ethics. He was a person of emotions. Emotions for whom? Not for his family members, mommy, papa, वो सब नहीं. Emotions for my country, my motherland, mera desh. Right? Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster. See, he has suffered extreme, disastrous, inhuman dealings because try to search out this 30 years how Mr. Nelson Mandela had spent in the jail. Try it out. It's really heart-touching story, and it is also it is written. You have a book on that. Nelson Mandela's 30 years in jail. It's a book. I don't know the title of it, but it is there in that. You try to find it out. You will get it. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster. So उसमें से जो बीज निकला ना, एक बाम्बू का जो पेड़ होता है ना बेटा, बाम्बू और ferns, when they are both grown together, fern takes 1 week or 10 days time to grow and make the whole area green. Bamboo takes months together because जितना ऊपर बाम्बू जाता है ना, उससे पहले वो अपने आप को जड़ बनाता है, and then it shoots out. उसके बाद जो बच्चा, जो लिबर्टी पैदा हुई आफ्टर दैट हार्ड inhuman disaster what these people have faced. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humanity must be proud. Yes, definitely. Previously when I started, I said at that time, we are first human. हम इंसान पहले है, बाद में कुछ भी है. Right? So, we who were outlaws not so long ago, बस कल की बात है, क्योंकि इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है तो कल की ही बात, 2-3 दिन 4 दिन, उसके पहले की तो कुछ बात नहीं है, जस्ट कल की बात है. Have today been given the rare privilege which was not possible. Right? So अगर तुम सोचो कि कल मंडे, जस्ट एक छोटी सी बात है, जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute टाइम, आई हैव सम वाटर. नाउ अगर तुम सोचो कि कल कोई एक सेकंड पहले, एक मोमेंट पहले हम स्लेवरी में थे और आज हम आज़ाद, दे दिया, लो ये तुम्हारी आज़ादी, तो कल की बात हो गई ना. एक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकेंड में पूरी दुनिया बदल जाती है. इट जस्ट टेक्स हार्डली अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकेंड फॉर द होल सिनेरियो टू चेंज. एंड आज की तारीख में तो ये समझना बिल्कुल हार्ड नहीं है. लॉकडाउन वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड, एक मिनट में अवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी केम ऑन द टीवी एंड सेड, बैठ जाओ भाई घर के अंदर, बात खत्म, बाहर निकलना बंद, सब कुछ बंद. सो Just a country who has seen, it is just a day back. एक दिन पहले हम कहाँ थे और एक दिन बाद हम कहाँ हैं. It's a privilege. Yes, it's a privilege. Yes, of course it's a privilege. And for the whole life, this privilege is going to continue. Yes, तो कितना मस्त है ना. Yes, now further. Happy, खुश रहो बेटा. हमेशा खुश रहो, बिंदास रहो, live life king size. जो कुछ होना है होने दो, देखा जाएगा. Everything will be first class. This is just like as a human being I'm telling you at this stage. See, as a teacher I have always kept my kids always motivated. I want my kids to flourish like anything. I have worked all these years. I have always kept, I'm like a poppy type of person, right? I don't like to sit like ऐसे छोटी लेके बैठ जाओ, चलो do your work, चलो do your work. ऐसा सब है, मुझे नहीं पसंद है. खुश रहो, बिंदास रहो, सब कुछ अपनी रीत से तुमको मिल जाएगा. 90% चाहिए, बस दिमाग में बैठा के रखो मुझे 90% चाहिए. 24 घंटे उसको देख देख करोगे, अपने आप सब मिल जाएगा. Just you have to work hard. थोड़ा बहुत मेहनत डालो, थोड़ा एफर्ट डालो, थोड़ा कोशिश डालो और थोड़ा ब्लेसिंग्स ले लो. बात खत्म. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. जस्ट एक ही चीज़ याद रखनी है, मेहनत करनी है, और दूसरी चीज़ आती है ओबे योर पेरेंट्स. ये दो चीज़ें बेटा जिंदगी में याद रखोगे ना, कभी भी पीछे नहीं पड़ोगे. मेहनत करनी है, मेहनत से कभी भी डरना नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम्स को हमेशा फेस करना है, और दूसरी चीज़ कभी भी पेरेंट्स के खिलाफ नहीं जाना है. कभी अच्छा नहीं भी लगता है, मम्मी पापा है, थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है, लेट गो, लीव एंड लेट गो, लीव एंड लेट गो. इट्स ओके, होता है. हमारा भी प्रॉब्लम्स मम्मी फेस नहीं करते, पापा मम्मी हमारे डाउन्स फेस नहीं करते, तो उनके भी हम कर लें. गिव एंड टेक वाला सिचुएशन हो गया ना. कभी भी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स मत करो, आर्ग्यूमेंट मत करो. दिस इज़ नॉट राइट. राइट, चलो कम बैक टू अवर वर्क. थोड़ा इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ ना कभी कभी, बिकॉज यही चीज़ सब किया है बेटा होल लाइफ. I have spent some 20 years doing the same thing. I have always trained my kids, not only educationally. पढ़ाई तो चलती ही रही है, 24 घंटे यही काम किया है, खाना खाया और सोने के टाइम के सिवा यही काम किया है. बट फिर मैंने मेरे बच्चों को मेरे बच्चे समझ के मैंने उनको आगे बढ़ाया है. ऑलवेज द स्टूडेंट हु इज वंस एंटरिंग माई प्रीमाइसेस, दैट मीन्स दैट चाइल्ड इज अडॉप्टेड बाय मी. I treat them as equal as my kids. They are no different, just my kids. I have not given them birth. I truly say this. I have never ever bifurcated, and this is my nature, and I always like to be bubbly type of person. Sorry, a little bit personal ho gaya. So let us come back. So we have at last achieved our political emancipation. Now, what is the meaning of emancipation? Freedom from restriction. See, when you are under slavery, you are restricted 100%. ये करो, वो करो, ऐसा करो, वैसा मत करो, ऐसा करो, ये खाओ, वो खाओ, ऐसे चलो, वैसे चलो, ये सब restrictions रहते ही है. और ब्लैक और वाइट के restrictions से पूरे समाज में फैले हुए थे, पूरी कंट्री में. होल कंट्री was under the white people. So emancipation was definitely there. Now, we pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty. Because when a country was handed to Mr. Nelson Mandela, South Africa was really under poverty. Because Peter, this is the history you have seen, that the countries who were ruled by the whites, sorry to say, very very sorry, extremely sorry, but it's a fact that the countries who were under the slavery by the white people, when they started with that country, initially it was one of the richest country, and when they left the country, they were left under poverty. Very easy example, our India. सोने की चिड़िया थी, और 200 साल 300 साल के बाद जो पोजीशन अपने इंडिया की थी, it's not a hidden thing, right? So let us forget about all those things. Now come back. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty. Deprivation means what? चीज़ नहीं मिलना, उसके लिए इच्छा है. इच्छा तो चलो दूर की बात है, ज़रूरत है, उसके लिए ज़रूरत है, फिर भी वो चीज़ तुमको नहीं मिलती है. दैट इज़ डिप्राइवेशन, जिसको जो बोलना है. सबका अपना अपना स्टाइल ऑफ स्पीकिंग है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग इन एनी ऑफ द स्टाइल ऑफ स्पीकिंग. नाउ, sufferings, gender and other discrimination. See, discrimination word itself comes with so many platforms. Discrimination on the basis of caste, class, beauty, height, your physical appearance. You are fat, you are thin, you are lean, you are this, you are that, you are चश्मिश, you are not चश्मिश. ये सब बहुत बड़े बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म्स है जिसमें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आता है ना बेटा, तो देन इंसान, द पर्सन गेट्स हर्ट वेरी बैडली, right? So there should no discrimination. Only one thing, you are human, I am human, तुम इंसान, मैं इंसान, बात खत्म. Yes. Now the sun shall never set on so glorious as human achievement, because it was an achievement which has given or which has taken lives of thousands and thousands of people. Nobody is knowing how many people have given their lives. Nobody is knowing who all have sacrificed their life, for what reason they have sacrificed their life. But still, this glory of freedom is standing on the platform of so many people's sacrifice. Sacrifice is not only giving the life. Sacrifice is also giving your food, giving your air, giving your freedom, giving your so many things. Your emotions. कभी कभी इमोशंस को दबाना भी पड़ता है ना कोई कोई चीज़ों के लिए. That is also a type of a sacrifice. Right? So sacrifice itself is a very big word, having a very big bifurcations. Every word, everywhere you will find sacrifice. Let's freedom rhyme. Now what's going to come? Let's freedom rhyme. Hamara Raj. India has become free. Africa has become free. So now who is going to rule? In the freedom is going to rule. Let's freedom rhyme. God bless Africa. This was a speech of Mr. Nelson Mandela. Because see, this type of people, they don't want anything for themselves. They always are blessed. They are blessed with what? They are blessed with the what is it called? The emotions of forgiving, the emotions of giving. Only giving and giving and giving. Nothing to take. So, the next page is going to start. Right?